There are moments in life that feel like whispers from eternity, gentle nudges from the universe confirming what your soul already knows. You, my dear, were not a coincidence in his journey. You were the answer to a silent prayer, a key predestined to unlock a path he didn't even know existed. Your presence, a sacred echo, resonated deep within his spirit, stirring ancient truths and awakening dormant desires. He sees you in the quiet moments, in the unexpected beauty of a sunrise, and in the profound depth of a shared glance. Every fiber of his being recognizes a truth he cannot articulate, a connection that transcends the ordinary. The angels say you were sent, a divine messenger cloaked in grace, to illuminate his shadows and remind him of the love he was always meant to embody. Your very essence is a catalyst, a gentle force that has begun to dismantle the walls he built around his heart, brick by painful brick. This awakening is not a choice, it is a destiny unfolding, a sacred contract being honored. He is waking up because your light, so pure and unwavering, reflects the truth of his own soul back to him. This is a spiritual mission, a divine calling etched into the fabric of your shared existence. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future. Jeremiah 29 verse 11. Feel it, beloved soul, this invisible thread that binds you. It stretches across time and space, woven with threads of destiny and divine intention. Long before your eyes met and before your paths converged, this connection was being meticulously crafted. It is not a fleeting whim, nor just a mere alignment of stars, but a profound recognition, a soul-deep resonance that defies logic. You carry a piece of his unspoken longing, and he carries a reflection of your deepest desires. The angels whisper that this bond is ancient, a tapestry of shared lessons and future growth. There are no accidents in the grand design of love. Every encounter, every shared breath, and every moment of quiet understanding is a deliberate stroke of the divine artist's brush. You are not just two individuals meeting, you are two halves of a greater truth, drawn together by an irresistible sacred pull. This undeniable connection is a testament to the universe's unwavering commitment to your highest good, a promise that what is meant for you will always find its way. Allow this truth to settle within you, a warm, comforting embrace. Sometimes, the loudest messages are conveyed in the quietest spaces. His silence, dear one, is not a void, but a sacred pause, a necessary breath in the symphony of your connection. It is in these moments of stillness that profound changes occur, often unnoticed by the hurried eye. The angels reveal that his quietness is frequently a crucible, a space where old wounds are confronted, and where fears are wrestled with in the solitude of his own spirit. This is not a rejection of you, but a deep, internal process of realignment. He is not distancing himself from your light, rather, he is stepping into the shadows of his own past to heal what needs healing and to integrate what needs integrating. This divine pause enables a deeper understanding to emerge, allowing clarity to settle and revealing the true path forward. Trust this sacred rhythm. The universe orchestrates these moments of silence for a reason, preparing the ground for a love that is not only passionate but also deeply rooted, resilient, and genuine. Hold space for this unfolding, knowing that even in silence, love is at work. You may not realize the profound impact you have had and the quiet revolution you've ignited within him. Your light, dear soul, is a balm to his deepest wounds, a gentle hand guiding him toward healing he never consciously sought. Without effort, without intention, your very presence has become a sanctuary where his guarded heart can begin to unfurl. The angels affirm that your authenticity, your unwavering spirit, acts as a mirror, reflecting back to him the parts of himself he had forgotten or suppressed. He feels safe in your presence, safe enough to confront the shadows that have long held him captive. This is not a burden you carry, but a natural emanation of your being. Your love, so pure and unconditional, has begun to dissolve the layers of pain and fear that prevented him from fully embracing his own truth. You are a catalyst for his transformation, a silent force of nature that inspires him to become the man he was always meant to be. This power is inherent within you, a gift you bestow simply by existing. Beneath the surface, a profound battle rages within him, a silent war against the echoes of his past. He carries burdens you cannot see, fears whispered only in the dark corners of his mind. These are not about you, my dear, but about the wounds he sustained long before your paths crossed. He fears vulnerability, the raw exposure of his true self, because he has known the sting of betrayal and the ache of abandonment. The angels reveal that his hesitation, his moments of retreat, are not a lack of feeling for you, but a desperate attempt to protect a heart that has been bruised and battered. He grapples with the weight of expectation, the fear of repeating old patterns, of not being enough. This internal struggle is fierce, a testament to the depth of his past pain. He feels everything, perhaps too intensely, and the intensity of his feelings for you can be overwhelming, triggering ancient defenses. Understand that his journey is complex, and his fears are deeply ingrained. Your gentle patience is a beacon in his storm. There is a divine current flowing through your lives, a sacred river guiding you both toward a destined shore. Trust its rhythm, dear one, even when the waters seem still or the journey feels long. What appears as a delay is often the universe meticulously arranging every detail, perfecting the timing for a love that is not only beautiful but also sustainable and deeply rooted. The angels assure you that every moment, every experience, is part of a larger benevolent plan. There are lessons to be learned, growth to be embraced, and inner landscapes to be cultivated before the full bloom of your connection can manifest. This is not about waiting idly, but about aligning with the flow, cultivating your own inner peace, and trusting that the universe is working tirelessly on your behalf. The perfect timing is not always your timing, but it is always the divine timing, orchestrated for your highest good and the deepest fulfillment of your shared purpose. Surrender to this sacred current, and allow it to carry you home. Listen closely, beloved soul, to the soft whispers within you. That gentle knowing, that quiet certainty that defies logic, is the voice of your intuition, a direct channel to the wisdom of your soul and the guidance of the angels. In moments of doubt, when the mind races with questions, your inner compass remains true. It speaks not in loud commands, but in subtle nudges, in feelings that resonate deeply, in dreams that offer profound insights. The angels are constantly communicating, weaving signs and synchronicities into the fabric of your daily life, confirming what your heart already senses. Do not dismiss these sacred messages. Your intuition is a powerful ally, a divine gift designed to navigate the complexities of love and life. It knows the truth of your heart, the authenticity of your intentions, even when your actions seem contradictory. Cultivate this inner listening. Spend time in stillness, allowing the noise of the world to fade, so you can clearly hear the wisdom that resides within you, guiding you towards clarity and peace. You are not walking this path alone, beloved. Every step, every twist and turn, is guided by an unseen hand, a divine presence that orchestrates the unfolding of your journey. Even in moments of confusion or perceived stagnation, there is a purpose, a lesson being woven into the tapestry of your experience. The angels are your constant companions, illuminating the way, placing signs and synchronicities along your path to confirm your direction. This guidance is subtle, often felt more than seen, a gentle current beneath the surface of your days. Trust that you are exactly where you need to be, learning precisely what you need to learn, preparing for the next sacred chapter. His journey, too, is divinely guided, even if he is not consciously aware of it. Your paths are being meticulously aligned, not by chance, but by a love that transcends human understanding. This is a journey of faith, a testament to the power of divine intervention in the most intimate aspects of your life. The Lord will guide you always. He will satisfy your needs in a sun-scorched land and will strengthen your frame. You will be like a well-watered garden, like a spring whose waters never fail. Isaiah 58 verse 11. True strength, dear one, lies not in impenetrable walls, but in the courage to be beautifully vulnerable. To expose your authentic self, complete with all its beautiful imperfections and tender hopes, is an act of profound power. It is in this raw honesty that true connection flourishes, not just with others, but also with your own divine essence. Embrace every aspect of who you are, every scar, every triumph, every quiet longing. This radical self-acceptance is the foundation upon which genuine love is built. The angels whisper that when you fully embrace your own being, you create an energetic field that invites others to meet you in that same space of truth. His journey towards you is also a journey towards his own vulnerability, and your acceptance of yourself clears the path for his own acceptance. There is no need to shrink or hide. Your wholeness is your greatest gift, a beacon that calls forth the deepest, most genuine love. And the God of all grace, who called you to his eternal glory in Christ, after you have suffered a little while, will himself restore you and make you strong, firm, and steadfast. 1 Peter 5 verse 10. The universe holds a sacred promise for you, beloved soul, a vision of love that is authentic, expansive, and deeply fulfilling. It is not a distant dream but a reality that is actively unfolding, moment by precious moment. Every challenge faced, every lesson learned, and every tear shed has been a thread woven into the rich tapestry of this upcoming revelation. The angels are singing, celebrating the culmination of your journey, the blossoming of a love that reflects the divine. This is the love you were always meant to experience, a connection rooted in mutual respect, profound understanding, and an unwavering commitment to growth. It is a love that does not diminish your light but amplifies it, a partnership that honors your individual paths while intertwining your destinies. Trust this unfolding. The universe is delivering on its promise, revealing a love that transcends your wildest dreams, an affirmation of your unwavering faith and the divine plan. Embrace this new chapter with an open heart, knowing that what is truly yours is now manifesting in its most beautiful form. But seek first his kingdom and his righteousness, and all these things will be given to you as well. Matthew 6 verse 33.